launch along with you.
Minus 15.
We enjoy the launch along with you. Just 10 seconds to launch.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Event number 96 completed.
And we have a successful
Event number
liftoff
98
of
completed.
Vikram's rocket. I think I should be able to show you the jubilant environment here at the
Busy
Mission
tracking.
Control Center, where the entire team is celebrating the launch and the spin-stabilized rocket. The views from the launcher camera. In a few seconds, the vehicle will undergo the condition of maximum aerodynamic pressure, followed by the motor burnout, and we will get you those confirmations shortly. The vehicle will experience Qmax around 15 seconds, and at the same time maximum aerodynamic loads will occur. Just to remind the viewers, this is an aerodynamic